You guys want to say hi?
Hello.
Hi.
Subscribe to my channel. I do K-pop stuff too. Here's the text. Rip the box.
Rip the box. Oh my god, it's so cute. I don't even have the real life tickets. Stop.
Does it turn on?
Wait, I think so. This little light part?
And you pull this.
Stop it.
How do you turn it off?
How do you turn it off?
Is there a button?
Oh, maybe this? That is
Oh,
so cute.
that's adorable. Your little keychain. Well, I didn't pay for it, but you're welcome.
Got it from you secured the bag.
One, two, three, go. Wait, we have to do it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh wait, I missed it.
That's a BTS song?
Yes, yes. Okay, it's fine.
This is such a cute setup. Oh my goodness.
So these are exclusive to the event. Actually sold out of our very happy.
Okay, wait, can I see it full?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. That is cute. Hold on, who's selling it?
As I fall behind,
Haha.
I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough.
You guys wanna do like a little wave? Cool.
I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. I'll be better when we're old enough.
Okay.
Take apart all the good things.
Alright, I wanted to show you guys what I got today, everything that I got today. Before we begin, I just want to give a huge thank you to the organizers of the cup sleeve event. It was hosted by Magic Hour Cafe. This was their first cup sleeve event and I think it went so well. The setup was nice, the decorations were pretty. I love the cup sleeve, the design is amazing. They just put a lot of work into this and I appreciate it because I've been trying to go to cup sleeve events and it seems like there aren't a lot in NorCal. They're mainly just for BTS. I don't see many for the groups that I stan. So it was really nice to go to events where I could, you know, be around other MOAs and I got to go with my club. So that was fun too. It was overall just a really good day and I have to thank the Magic Hour Cafe for that. I know it sounds cheesy, but yeah, I just had a good time. So, but okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I think I'm gonna start with the cup sleeve and then all the inclusions. Here is the cup sleeve. I just think it is so cute. Look. And also I forgot to say happy 3rd anniversary to TXT. I am just endlessly proud of them and they feel like home to me. They are my comfort group. I just love them so much and I'm glad I am able to support them in my little tiny pocket of the world by going to fun little cosplay events like this. They also design little postcards, so cute. And then custom photo cards. We got Bumpyu and then we have Terry, so cute. I think this is from the little webtoon thing that I actually haven't been able to read yet and I always see things on Twitter about it. I'm especially in love with the cup sleeve. I think I'm going to maybe put it on my wall or maybe just fold it like this and put it on my shelf. It's like that. How cute. They really put a lot of detail into making sure the event was as appealing as it was. Honestly though, the decorations were super cute. They had a photo wall. Oh, the best part of the event. They had little balloons and like these purple pink streamers with a bunch of cute photos of the members. Oh, it was adorable. But okay, those were the freebies that I got. Now I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I got from the vendors at the event. Okay, so first I bought some items from multicorewrld. Here's their business card. And the owner, she's talking about how she made exclusive candles and also tote bags just for the event. But I ended up getting a keychain. This is of Terry. I think it's so cute. I think these are photos from one of their magazine shoots. Look at him. That is so cute. I think I'm gonna put him most likely on my board of K-pop people. And then also I got a little journaling pack because I really want to start journaling. I want to get into K-pop journaling, or just, you know, journaling and scrapbooking in general. I don't really have images that I can, you know, place in my journals. And also printing is expensive. There's little photos in here. I think she said that there were 8. Yeah, super cute. Next, I got a keychain from Strawfairies. Here's their business card. So I got this keychain. It says MOA, of course. And I just thought it'd be cute to put on my bag. Here it is. How cute. Oh my goodness. And also she included some stickers. I love it. Very cute. So I got that from Strawfairies. And then I was headed out and I wanted to make sure that I stopped by all the vendors and I wanted to, you know, capture their station. And I saw that one of the vendors, magicvirgoz, I believe, they were selling inclusions, PCs, and albums. And I saw that they were selling Chaotic Wonderland, their Japanese album. And I don't have any of the Chaotic Wonderland versions. And I'm actually trying to start collecting jewel cases. I just think jewel cases are very reminiscent of my childhood years and how my parents used to have a bunch of these cases. I really like that these are making a comeback. I'm not a huge fan of having different albums with different designs and color palettes on my shelf because it just looks messy, but I think having jewel cases with the same, you know, dimensions look really nice on my shelf. And I'm actually trying to redecorate my shelf. This is why I brought it up. But yeah, so I got this, and there's no PCs. There might be some other inclusions, maybe not. Oh yeah, it's just looking like I don't know what that is. And then on the topic of jewel cases, my friend Ro, who's also in the K-pop club, decided to give me one of her jewel cases of the other version of Chaotic Wonderland. So here it is. There is a crack in it, yeah, but it adds character. I like it. And it's still gonna look nice on my shelf. I think I might put this one in front, like this maybe, on the shelf, or like that, or just even stack them. I think that'd be cute. She said that there's a PC in... There's a PC in here. It's Terry and Kai. So cute. Okay, so now I'm going to get into the stuff that I bought from SarangHello. I went to get Kep1er's album. I just found out today that it is Kep1er. I kept thinking it was Kep1er, but it's Kep1er. Why? I don't know. I wanted to get Kep1er's album and, of course, Stacy's Young Love. And when we got to SarangHello, they were only letting about 5 people in at a time, and there were 11 of us, so we split into 2 groups. And 5 of my club members went in before me, and one of my members, Victor, decided he was gonna snag the last Young Love album. I forget which version, but he robbed me of it. I was not able to get any of the Young Love albums except the jewel case. And of course, I had to get my bias, Seun. She is so pretty. So I'm gonna open this, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be her photo card in the case. I think that would make the most sense, right? I don't think it's probably gonna be her photo card, but I just don't know what it looks like. Okay, I'm just gonna open it like, I don't know who I'm getting. Can you guys see it? Should I flip? Okay. So, I have no words. She is so pretty. Seun, are you serious? And the bag is cute. She is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. But can we talk? Let's talk about this CD. That is gorgeous. I think I'm going to put that in my CD player. I also want to show you the poster that I got. There's a lot of colors going on, but I think that because the background is white, it will look very nice on my wall. Look at that. Do you guys see that? Are you serious? serious? Are you serious? So the last thing that I got is Kep1er's album. It is Kep1er. Now I know. My bias in Kep1er is Hikaru. So she better be in that. I also wouldn't mind getting Bahi. I am very supportive of her and she deserves all the love. I don't know what the photo card is, but come look at this. Isn't that so pretty? I don't know if you can see it, but that is gorgeous. Just look at her. She is a queen. Go ahead, queen. Okay, I think I see the photo card right here. So I'm going to take, oh, I don't think that's a photo card. What is that? I got it. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I don't really know the other members like that. I'm gonna be honest. Okay, I'm just letting you know. I want to look at this one first. Okay, I'm not sure who that is. I will find out though. And maybe one of my club members will want to trade. So, okay, I know her. I know her because she was ranked 1 in Girls Planet. I didn't watch Girls Planet because that stuff makes me nervy, but I do know her. Okay, so I want to open. Oh my goodness. That is pretty. That is such a pretty disc. Oh my goodness. But all right, I think that was it for my haul. I'll link all the vendors down in the description box. I'll also be linking Magic Hour Cafe, who did run this event. And also anything that I mentioned or showed in this video will be included in the description box as well. Also, all of my social media handles are down in the description. And I also have a Discord. I have a Discord that is still a work in progress, but you can join. And if you want to talk about K-pop on there, we can, and we can talk about a bunch of other things. I have a ton of channels waiting to be filled. Yeah. So please join if you like. But other than that, that's all that I have for you guys today. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Also, happy 3-year anniversary to TXT.